We are going to continue with our class for today with sequence and series. Okay, we are through with it for the arithmetic progression, which very soon videos will be on it. So today we're going to consider geometry progression, or the GP, okay, or the exponential sequence, Okay, so this is the formula. So un is equal to ar exponent n minus 1. Okay, so to get a term, so for instance, if you are looking for the first term, so u1 will be equal to ar, then our n is what? 1 minus 1. So which is our u1 is equal to ar exponent 0, and any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So our first term is always a. Okay, and if we are also looking for the second term, we have u2 is equal to ar 2 minus 1, which is going to give us ar. Our third term u3 is equal to ar 3 minus 1, which is going to give us ar squared. Okay, yeah, we can continue on and on and on. Okay, but pertaining to this question, we say if the second and fourth terms of a geometric progression GP of positive terms are 8 and 32 respectively, find A, the common ratio, B, the first term. Okay, so let's break it down to understand what is being required of us. So one way of being able to solve this kinds of question on sequence and series, basically arithmetic progression and also geometric progression, is for you to analyze the question very well. You analyze the question very, very well before you would solve. So what is required of us? We are told that if the second and fourth terms of a geometric progression of positive terms, so this is a keyword, positive terms, are 8 and 32 respectively. So which means our second term should be equal to 8. Then our fourth term should be equal to 32. Now, what is our second term? That is what we've executed here. So we know that our second term, which is ar, so ar is equal to 8. Okay, we can also solve for our fourth term. So u4 is equal to ar 4 minus 1, which is equal to ar cube. Okay, so ar cube is equal to 32. So this is our equation 1, and this is our equation 2. Okay, good. Now we are told to find the common ratio, and a way of finding the common ratio is always by dividing through the term. Okay, the previous term minus the initial, divided by the initial term. So we need to divide these two terms. Okay, so now we have ar cube is equal to 32 divided by ar divided by 8. Okay, so this will cancel this, and this will cancel the remaining squared. Then 8 will go into 32 how many times?
4 times.
4 times. Good. So now we have r squared is equal to 4. Okay, so to be able to get r, we need to square root both sides of the equation. So this will cancel this. And r is equal to 2. Okay? So which means the value for our r, or the common ratio, is 2. So we've achieved the first part of the question. Now the second part is for us to find the first term. And we can do this by substituting the value of r into equation 1 or in equation 2, any of the equation. So put r is equal to 2 into equation 1. Okay, so we're going to get a 2. So in place of r, we put 2 there, which is equal to 8. So 2a is equal to 8. Divide here by 2, cancel. 2 going to 8, 4. So our a is equal to 4. So this is the B part of the question. So this is how you solve a question of this nature. So that is it.